Hi everyone, welcome. In this video I'm going to be talking about how to do word clouds in Python. So we start off by importing the necessary packages, so matplotlib, then word cloud, then pandas. So if you don't have any of these installed, you should install them. You can use any editor, but I prefer using Jupyter Notebook when it comes to visualization. So after importing and running, then we get the data we are going to use. So I'm using a CSV data, but this data has to be in some kind of text or string. That's why here I'm joining the different content. So I have a column called content that has the data that I want to visualize. So I join that and turn it into a string, then put it in lowercase just for it to be consistent. Then after doing that, I make the word cloud. So things that we put in word cloud, we have parameters like stop words. These are like the normal words like they, are, so, and so on. So those are not really like visualized. Then we have the max words, the maximum number of words you want. It can be 1,000, but my data set has like few words, so I just use 20. Then the font, then background, then the height of your image, then the width. Then after doing that, you generate the word cloud. Then this word cloud is an image that is visualized using IamShow image. So this is what we are trying to do here. You have your figure. I set the figure size. Then here I'm trying to visualize it. And here I'm just removing the axis. Yeah. So when I visualize, you see these are like the common words in my data set. So you can also leave out some words in your data set. For example, here I might want to remove air quality, I might want to remove good password, anything that you feel like it's not relevant. So you can update the stop words with your own words. This is what this line is doing. Then you generate the word cloud as usual. You have your stop words, your maximum words. We can also make our word cloud take the form of any shape you feel like. So here we have additional libraries we are going to use. We are going to use NumPy for the array, then Pillow. So here we are importing Pillow NumPy, then we are using IamShow from matplotlib. Here I'm reading the image I'll be using for my word cloud. Then when it comes to like visualizing it, here I define a mask. So the mask will be the image, then that image will be in form of an NumPy array, and that's our mask. So we add the mask parameter and give it our value, and when I run it, you see it has taken that shape. It's encouraged to use an image that has a white background, because if you put an image that has another background, that might also be considered as an image, yet you want your maybe a given shape. So yeah, use images with white backgrounds. So we can also adjust the color. You see here the color is the color we used before, but maybe you wanted to take the color of the image you're using. So here I'll use another image, which is a headset. And to do that, I'm importing image color generator from word cloud, then getting our mask as usual. Then here in the image color generator, I pass on the mask value, and I'm defining the mask maximum word, and here color function, I'll pass in the mask color So that's the color that our words are going to take on. And yeah, this is how it appears. This is it. Thank you.